Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix payment, not complete, and of course, on your App Store. So what actually happens when you have the issue that your payment is not complete? What can you do as well? Well, and in the specific things or specific instances that you have this issue on you or Apple App Store, well, you might have a few issues currently happening on your phones right now. Your payment could not be completed because you might actually be using a specific card or a payment method without any current balance. So let's say that the card that you were using is a debit card, and that debit card has no, funds or balance in it. So it won't really it's going to be a problem of obviously, especially when you want to pay some stuff over on Apple App Store for some paid apps. Also, if you're using a credit card, you might have reached your credit limit so that it's not working anymore and you can't really pay for that anymore. Now, in the case that that does happen, all you need to do is get onto your App Store, head on to search or rather on your profile icon right here. And what you actually need to do is head on over to your settings and you could actually edit your settings and adding a new payment method. Now over here, you can actually leave your purchased stuff right here. You could also open some of this stuff over here and access them. You can also see the stuff that is not on this iPhone. Click on Done. And once you're done with that, here you have a bunch of other stuff. So basically that's how you update your new payment method or on your information over on your Apple App Store. But how can you actually pay the remaining balance and fix the payment to be completed? Well, of course, once you've actually updated your payment on your Apple ID or your Apple App Store. So over here, head on onto Payment and Shipping. As you can see, you could actually view you could actually view your payment methods over here and stuff like that. You could also add a new payment method if you'd like to, and a bunch of stuff like that as well. Of course, once you've added your new payment method, you could actually use that in order for you to pay your own bills over on Apple App Store and of course solve the problem of the payment not being completed. You guys are watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And again, this has been How to Web.